Okay, this is on my Gateway laptop. I got Windows 10 installed, and let's say your computer is not running good and you want to reinstall Windows 10. Okay, so we're going to go down to you want to wipe out all your apps, just get a fresh install. You go down to the search bar and we're going to type reinstall. It might come up right now. And reset the PC. There it is. It just came up. Okay, we'll click on that. Just one click. Go ahead and hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. Alright, reset this PC. I think we're going to take the top one there. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstall Windows. So we're going to take the top one there. We'll click on that right here. Just click on that. Reset the PC, one click. Maybe it was two clicks. Oh, there it goes. Alright, here we're going to take, I'm going to take the bottom one, remove everything. Remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. So we'll click on the bottom one there. It says getting things ready. Remove apps and files and do not clean the drive. Current settings. Okay, we're just going to say next here. In the middle down here in the bottom right. Check out my, I put some links. I got some affiliated links down in the descriptions. Down below in the description of the video. Just go ahead and scroll down through there. If you purchase anything, they give a small commission to my channel here. So it won't cost anything extra for you. Just go ahead and read through there. If you find a site you like, go ahead and bookmark it. And keep going through my link to get there. Alright, let's see what happens here. It's been real hot here, that's why I haven't been uploading lately. Haven't felt like doing it. This won't take long. I might drop out here if it takes too long. I'm going to just follow the prompts here. This might take you up to about half an hour for the whole process, but I'm going to get you started here. Sometimes you once you get a lot of apps on your PC, you got to do this about once a year. Just clean everything out and go ahead and do this process here. Get all this junk out of there. Alright, this is what they're saying they're going to do. Remove all the personal files. Remove any changes made to the settings. No, at the bottom. This will take a while and your PC will restart. It'll restart all by itself. Okay, we're going to say, okay, reset. We're going to go down there and click on that. Preparing to restart. Will restart automatically. Alright, I'm going to follow it for a little bit here. I might shut down my video. Go ahead and watch this. Watch the videos that pop up on the screen. I'm going to put two links. I got to know. Okay, once you reset this thing, you want to go ahead and create a restore point to when it's going to be a fresh reloaded Windows, and you want a restore point to where everything's running fine. You liked it, or after you get a couple apps on there, I guess. Go ahead and create a restore point. I made a video on that. Maybe I'll put it in the links there. And look, check out my playlists that pop up on the screen there. Restarting. You don't need to do nothing. It'll just do it by itself here. Here we go. Just try to follow a little ways in here. There's my gateway splash screen, they call that. Starting to prepare Windows. Let me know in comments. Talk to me down in the comments. Let me know what you like and don't like. And I got some more content coming up here. I'm gonna show you another nice video of the Optiplex. What I got, a Dell Optiplex GX620. I'm gonna take that thing apart. It's a tower, a mini tower. And I got another tower, old gateway. That thing is a monster. I'm gonna do that one later on. That thing is real big. It's one of them big old ones that them tan colored ones from way back in the day. I think it's actually a Pentium 3. We'll take that baby apart, see what we can do with it. I don't know if it'll push Windows 10 or not. Let me try to load that on there. Alright, here starting to kick along here. Resetting this PC 1%. I'll follow it along a little bit here. I might turn this video off. Oh, if you have any computer related questions, technical related to your PC, to your laptop, if you sign up on my Patreon account, I'll answer all questions over there. There's a link down in the description. So for Patreon, just yeah, this looks like it might take a while. Follow it for a second here. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up though on the give me a thumbs up on this video. I got Windows, I got Microsoft Office 2003. I put it on Windows 10. It runs fine. So don't worry about buying all those new ones that come out. Those that Office, they want you to keep giving them money. You know, they want you to get in a membership where you always owe money every year. That 365 and all that. Forget all that. That's if you got the old Office, you know, the 2007 or I got 2003 on this. Well, I'll have to reload it now. It'll be erased now. They run fine. They do everything that all the new ones do. I wished I had still had Windows 7. I might try to figure out how to put Windows 7 back on here. I got to get a copy of that. That ran real good on here. 18%. I might bail here. Let's see. I'll just follow it for a minute longer. And just go ahead and watch the videos that pop up there on the side of the screen. And check out my I know I made a video on restore point and creating a restore point in Windows. And go ahead and load up your apps. Once this thing resets, you just put your apps back on there, through your CD, your DVD-ROM, and after it's all set up the way you want it, go ahead and make a restore point. And then in the future, you know, a few months down the road, stuff starts running bad. You just go back. It'll go back to your restore point when things are running good. You just go back in there and say go to restore point, and it'll go back to an earlier date. That way you don't have to totally reload Windows like we're doing here. 18%. It's going to take too long for me to video all this. All right, I'm gonna cut out right here. Just follow the prompts. It's gonna say to you, it's gonna restart. Once it gets up to 100% here, it's gonna say we're gonna restart. Don't touch nothing. Let the computer restart. Let it do its thing. It'll tell you when it's done. At the end, it's gonna ask you for a password and who runs the computer. You know, give a name, and you know it's all pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty easy. Because I can't follow it here. It's taking too long. It's 18%. This might take 20-30 minutes. But you'll have a fresh load of Windows on here. And trust me, you're going to love it. Windows 10. You want to do this about twice a year. Just clean everything out and it's going to run real smooth. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to cut out here. Okay, we'll see you in the next one.